China bans crypto, but this will send Dogecoin to new highs. The relationship between governments and cryptocurrencies has always been tense. But who would have thought that China, one of the first countries to embrace digital currencies, would eventually ban them? Yes, you heard that right. On Friday morning, the People's Bank of China posted a brief statement on its blog, where the financial regulator made its stance pretty clear. Any crypto-related transactions are considered illicit financial activity and are 100% illegal. Yes, even if you're working with offshore exchanges, yes, even Dogecoin. However, the notice specifically mentions Bitcoin and Ethereum as examples of what the country is trying to stamp out. According to the bank, these virtual currencies that are issued by non-monetary authorities use encryption technology, distributed accounts, or similar technologies and exist in digital form. These currencies, as it goes on, don't have the same status as legal tender and cannot be circulated in the market as actual currency. Without a doubt, this notice sent shivers down the spines of cryptocurrency traders all around the world who believe that digital currency is the future. But if you are a longtime watcher of the crypto world, you might be feeling a sense of deja vu. That's because this is far from the first time China has spoken out against Bitcoin. While the most recent campaign might feel like the most aggressive to date, it is worth remembering that this dance between Chinese regulators and the world of digital currency has been going on since 2013. But it wasn't until 2017 that Chinese authorities became more hawkish on cryptocurrency, banning initial coin offerings for the first time. The People's Bank of China subsequently banned any websites and exchanges dedicated to hosting these offerings. Then it banned the country's financial institutions from dabbling in crypto. However, in reality, none of this stopped crypto enthusiasts from getting their hands on their sweet tokens, nor did it prevent a huge mining boom. Estimates show that up to 75% of the world's Bitcoin mining happened in China before a major crackdown this year. Yes, 75%. All thanks to the country's cheap electricity and hydropower hubs like Sichuan and coal-powered provinces like Inner Mongolia. And as a result, massive mining warehouses in China have become an increasingly common sight. Just this past summer, 26 Sichuan mining farms got their hydroelectricity access cut off as part of the ongoing crypto crackdown, while Inner Mongolia banned mining outright. Well, here's why. Bitcoin mining is a resource-intensive enterprise that guzzles more electricity than some small countries. Its carbon footprint is huge as its pollution problem, and at least one study has shown real human health risks associated with proximity to these warehouses mining digital dollars. These environmental concerns are only one of the factors that drove Chinese authorities to start their year-long battle in the first place. The other one being the widespread use of crypto in money laundering schemes. Only a few months ago, Chinese authorities said that over 1,000 people had been arrested after purchasing cryptocurrencies with profits from criminal activities. And now, by banning all crypto transactions and crypto mining, China wants to root out illicit cryptocurrency activity altogether. But the question remains, will they succeed? Now, that would be very difficult to answer, because whenever headlines about China's scrutiny and regulatory interests have popped up in the past, it's resulted in a sell-off. But when the news cycle is over, crypto prices have started to rise again. This time too, Bitcoin fell from $44,800 to around $41,000, and Ethereum fell from about $3,100 to $2,700. Other coins fell as well, with crypto's global market cap down to $1.835 trillion from $2 trillion. But now the dust is settled, things are starting to recover. Although the gradient is shallow so far, as of September 25th, the global market cap for cryptocurrencies increased to $1.916 trillion. Bitcoin hit highs of $43,112, and Ethereum almost punched past $3,000. Dogecoin is also currently trading at 20 cents, down 1% from the day before. Well, after witnessing such a turbulent period, it's pretty good recovery. However, the recent price correction has again echoed those magical words, buy the dip. So should you really buy the dip? Now, the crypto market is extremely volatile. The underlying assumption or the hope to buy the dip, whether in the stock or crypto market, is that prices would ultimately rise. and you tend to make more returns by investing at a lower entry point for a possible upside in prices. Of course, the cryptocurrency market has taken yet another major hit, but the current events have a ring to them. In September 2017, the original ban announcement sent Bitcoin tumbling, only to recover to its original levels within weeks, set a new all-time high of $20,000 less than 3 months later. So if you had bought the dip at the time, you could have reaped the benefits in as little as 3 months. However, the opposite might also be true. If you look at the stock market crash of the year 2008, a few investors bought and averaged out their investments when the BSE Sensex crashed to 15,000 levels. It dipped more, and some brave heart souls again bought at 12,000 levels. Do you know how many lucky souls were left to buy when it was further crashed to less than 9,000? Well, overall, by the end of 2008, the BSE Sensex had dropped after touching more than 20,000 to less than 9,000. So you see, buying the dip is not always the best option, but if you do want to invest, it is essential to be cautious. My advice, invest money you can afford to lose and avoid the trap of averaging or buying the dip because it's nothing but timing the market, which is futile. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts on China's ban on cryptocurrencies? And even more importantly, will China be able to track down and punish platforms and individuals who violate the rules? Because in reality, crypto trading and mining practices are still happening there. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you found our video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for all new updates coming up.